Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you step-by-step tutorial how to buy Terareum on your Trust wallet. So for the purpose of this video I want to mention that I use only my phone. So you don't need to connect your wallet to PC, laptop or something. You can use only your phone. You need to have Trust wallet installed already. The starting point of that video, it will be when you already have your Ethereum in your wallet. So if somebody don't know how to do that, there is plenty of videos on YouTube, so you can check and see, for example, for Coinbase or someone else, how to transfer to your wallet. So the next thing that we need is also application. I use CoinGecko, but you can use CoinMarketCap, you can use DEX tools and etc. We need that because we will have to add manually the contract address on the Terareum in your wallet. So we have the wallet, we have the Ethereum, and now it's time to add the contract manually. So for that purpose, we need to have in my case, I use CoinGecko on my phone. So we go to CoinGecko, we go on the top on the search box, and we will add manually Terareum. So this is the token we are looking for. So we put on him, tap, and we go scroll down to here. This is the contract address. So you have to, with your finger, have to tap here to make the copy. So we copy the address and we go out from here. We don't need CoinGecko anymore. The next thing is to add manually the Terareum address in your wallet. So you have to tap here and you see the search box is open. So now we have to manually write Terareum and you see here add custom token. So you have to press here. The next page which open, all you have to do here is to paste the address here, which you previously copied from, in my case, CoinGecko. So we paste it and you see everything goes up automatically. And we have to press the save button here. So we have it, it's ready to go. Now we have to go back and click done. The next thing is you have to connect your Trust wallet to Uniswap. And here you have to be very careful. You go down here, which is browser. So you click there and you see you have URL search box. So it's very important. You have to type uniswap.org. Never type uniswap.com because you can lose money there. You know, it's a scam site. So be careful. Make sure you type exactly uniswap.org and that will immediately send you to the main page of the Uniswap. So all you have to do there is to be top on the launch app application. You see here this button. You tap here and of course Uniswap will ask you to connect to your wallet. So you will have to confirm that like this. In my case, he asked me to connect my wallet and I tap here on the connect. When you have connect your wallet, you will see it here, Ethereum blockchain. On the top it will be the ETH and in couple seconds you will see that it's showing the amount the Ethereum you have in your wallet. So the next thing we have to do is to go here on tap on the select token so we can add Terareum. So we go there in the search box and write down Terareum. You see, like in my case, added by user. So it recognizes it. I tap here and that's it. We add the Terra. The next thing we have to do is to adjust the slippage tolerance. It's very important because it's have an option, so you can buy it with 1% slippage. That means that you will get more value for your money. So you have to come here and tap on this icon. It will be stay on automatic, so you have to change it to 1%. So when you tap, it opens like this. So all you have to do now is to tap here 1. That's it. You're set. You press done, and that's it. So then, for example, I will use the maximum amount. Of course, it's better to leave some ether behind because the gas price is changing. So you have to be sure that you have enough amount of ether in your wallet just to transaction go through. But here I will use the maximum amount. I will tap on the max and you will see the amount I have, and in the next box you see the tokens that you will get for this kind amount of money. In my case, $54 almost. So here you will see the gas price. Like I said, it's changed very rapidly. My advice to you is to go and try when the network is not busy. It's like early in the morning, like very early in the morning. We adjust the slippage tolerance to 1%, and now what we have to do now, in my case I use iPhone. So you just go here on this search box and just one time press with your finger like this. So then you can scroll. You have to go to the end of the right side and manually add 0.99. That's it. Then you can press done, and as you see, the swap is active. So you can tap on the swap. Here you can see the amount of tokens which you will receive, and of course the network fee. And if you're okay with that, you can press confirm swap. In my case, it will show me that I will not have enough money to pay the gas. So in my case, I will come back in here and press cancel. So dismiss, and of course you can try this again and again, and also you can adjust your amount of ether. But there is one important thing. Every time when you adjust the amount of ether you buy, the next step automatically must be go down here and again tap on the tokens, swap to the right side, to the end of the right side, and manually add 0.99, because every time you change the amount of ether, the 0.99 here on the tokens, it's just disappear. So you have to do it again manually. So again, you tap one time and go to the right side, manually add 99, and that's it. Swap now is active. But as we can see, the gas is changed, is getting bigger and bigger. So when I try to make the purchase, of course, it's tell me that it's not amount of ether. So basically, this is how you buy on the Trust wallet. I think it's very easy, so everyone can understand. And so that's it for today, guys. I'm planning to also make from Coinbase. If you go to my channel, I also have video how to buy from MetaMask. Basically, on these 3 wallets, the process is same every time. You have to manually add the coin, you have to connect your wallet to Uniswap, and then you can adjust your slippage to 1%, add the 0.99, and when the gas fees are low and you're satisfied with that, you can make the purchase. That's it from me. I wish you a great day.